Imagine you're at a busy international meetup. The room is full of new faces, and everyone is there for the same reason, to make a connection and start a conversation. David is here, and he's just introduced himself to Beth. He wants to know more about her, specifically where she grew up, but he needs a natural way to ask without the conversation feeling stiff. To do that, we start with the simplest way to state a fact. If David already knew where Beth was from, he might just say, "You are from Brazil." But just stating a fact doesn't invite a response. To get the conversation moving, David has to change this sentence into a question. In English, this is like a game of leapfrog. We take the verb, are, and it hops right over you to the front. Suddenly, we have a question. Are you from Brazil? This leaping rule works for everyone. If David asks about a friend, the word is jumps to the front. Is she from Brazil? And for a whole group, are makes the jump. Are they from Brazil? Learning to move that one word to the front of the sentence is the first step in learning how to introduce yourself to anyone. Now, let's say David's guess was wrong. Beth needs a polite way to correct him so the conversation can stay on track. She does this by adding one specific word. We place the word not right after the verb. So Beth says, "I am not from Brazil." Then she follows up with the correct information. "I am from Mexico." Once the country is clear, you'll notice that English uses specific words to describe the people who live in those countries. Because Beth is from the country of Mexico, we say her nationality is Mexican. This pattern happens all over the world. A person from Korea is Korean. Someone from Spain is Spanish. Knowing someone's nationality is usually the signal that it's okay to start asking more detailed questions about their home and their culture. Now that they've established where she's from, David asks Beth to describe what her city is actually like. This is a view of Mexico City. You can see the busy traffic, grand old buildings, and how many people are on the streets. David uses his new question-flipping skill to ask, "Is Mexico City quiet?" Beth uses that not roadblock to answer, "No, it is not quiet." To give David a better idea, she needs words that describe the exact opposite of quiet. If a place isn't like the sleepy village on the left, it's more like the vibrant city on the right. We call that noisy. You can use these pairs of opposites for almost any city. You might talk about whether a place is cheap or expensive. You could describe the air as clean or polluted. And when you're exploring a new neighborhood, it's very helpful to know if it's safe or dangerous. By combining a no with a descriptive opposite, like saying, "It is not quiet, it is noisy," you can give people a much better sense of what your home is really like. Watch as David puts all these pieces together to introduce himself to the group. He might start with a quick question and correction. "Am I from the US? No, I'm not. I'm from England. I'm English." David's home is London. This view shows the famous Big Ben clock tower and the wide river that runs through the center of the city. He uses those descriptive opposites to be honest about his city. It is not cheap, it is expensive. Then he adds some positive details, but it is interesting and beautiful. Notice how combining these simple, opposing observations allows David to describe his life back home with a lot more detail. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're walking back into that same busy coffee shop to meet David and Beth. Try filling in these blanks with your own information. Are you from blank? No, I'm not. I'm from blank. My city is not blank. It is blank. Once you can fill in those blanks, you're ready to start a conversation with anyone you meet, anywhere in the world.